Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to do the 8K video footage support test in the Oneplus 8T versus the Poco F3 device. As you can see, friends, the Oneplus 8T has the Snapdragon 865 chipset, and whereas the Poco F3 has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So let's see in this video which phone will be able to play the 8K video directly and which will be able to play smooth and faster as well. So make sure to watch till end of the video, friends, to get to know all the interesting facts. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of each and every smartphone which are reviewed, even for the live wallpapers as well. You can find all the links available in the description below. So let's begin the test, friends. First, let me try to open the 8K video footage in both the phones. So right now I'm trying to play the 8K video footage in both the phones at same time. As you can see, friends, the same time I'm trying to play. So let's see which phone will be able to play smoother and a little bit kind of smooth as well, not lagging and not taking much time. So usually if the phone is not supported with the 8K video playback, the video will be playing very slowly, and you will be feeling some kind of lag and delay in terms of the video. But right now, as you can see, friends, Snapdragon 865 processor is performing good, and here is a Snapdragon 870 chipset, and both phones are performing close to each other without much kind of issues. So here you can clearly see, so both are playing very smooth and very much faster. So there is no delay or there is no gap at all between these both phones. As you can see, friends, even it looks completely good in terms of comparing the 8K video or playback between the both the phones, which also helps you to see the display clarity, how good it is. So I know this is not the everyday situation that you will be watching the 8K video footage, but it's good to know that your phone is actually supported with the 8K video. So this test I'll be doing in all the different processors, just to check how good and how fast is the Snapdragon processor is. But right now in the Snapdragon 870, no issues. Snapdragon 865, no problem. Both are perfectly alright in playing the 8K video footage, friends. So this is a very small video which I thought of mentioning you all. Let me try to show you exactly the properties of the video, and both are using the same kind of hardware decoder. If you are curious to know what type of decoder I am using, hardware decoder, and both are having the same kind of resolution, 7680 x 4320, as you can clearly see. So same 8K resolution and same 30 FPS frame rates of video. So that's it, friends. This is a small video, and for more interesting facts, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let me try to forward and backward. So both are playing very smooth even when I forward and backward as well. So that's it, friends. See you in the next video for more interesting comparison, and let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this 8K video playback test in my channel. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.